Right, ready?
Go.
Give us a pull, Paul.
That way first.
No, this come over.
Whoa, the other way.
Don't want to shoot it?
Yeah, go, go.
Paul, reload. Do it right from the ground. Oh, hang on. We've got
Is it?
Look, we've got shell shock on the front of
I
it.
don't think I recorded that first one.
Shell shock.
Heavy enough, Scott.
Paul, give it another
one in the
blast.
You can't because there's no barrel.
Shot the undercarriage out of it.
It's still alive.
It's like a fly.
It's still alive. Oh, look, it's taken some rotor damage though.
It's been through the Helmand province.
Oh,
False start.
Aim slightly higher.
Paul.
Destroyed.
Joe, you might be able to have that off the camera.
That's not a lot left.
God, it does make a mess, doesn't it?
There's some batteries.
Where's the black box?